Hello children. So successfully we completed unit 2. Now we are in unit 3. Okay. The lesson name is ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Dear children, already you have learnt about fraction. Am I correct? So numerator and denominator, everything we have learnt in the fraction. Types of fractions also we have learnt. Yes, so by using the fractions we are going to learn about ratio and proportion. Let's see what is ratio. Okay, so ratio is nothing but comparison of two quantities. Okay, a ratio can be written as a fraction. Dear children, can you say one example of fraction? Yes, 2 by 3 is a fraction. Okay, we have so many fractions. For examples, I told 2 by 3. Okay, so ratio can be written as a fraction and fraction also can be written as a ratio form. Can you see this example? Yeah, 1 by 2 is a fraction form. It can be written as 1:2. What is this? Is to 1:2. Okay, so this is a general formation of ratio, 1:2. So ratio is nothing but comparison of two quantities. Okay, so ratio can be written in a fraction form. Fraction also can be written in a ratio form. Okay, yes. Now properties of ratio. A ratio has no units like meter, kilometer, centimeter. We can't write in ratio form. Okay, while you are writing a ratio formation, you should not mention any units like meter, kilometer, liter, milliliter, like that you should not mention. And the most important thing is the two quantities of a ratio should be of the same unit. For example, you can compare kilometer and kilometer only. Okay, you cannot compare kilometer and liter because kilometer and liter are the different units. Okay, so when you are writing a ratio formation, both numbers should be in a same unit. Like if one is kilometer, another one also must be a kilometer. If suppose one is meter, another one is kilometer, you just convert that kilometer as meter, then you can write a ratio form. But two different quantity you cannot compare. Okay, kilometer, liter, kilogram and a kilometer you cannot write in a ratio form. You just remember this one. Okay, each number of ratio is called a term. Okay, this is term 1 and this is term 2, like that. Okay, order of the terms in a ratio cannot be reversed. That order you should not do a reverse formation. Okay, so 2:1 should be written as 2:1 only, not as 1:2. Okay, you should not write in a reverse form. That is what given here. Okay, so these are all the basic things of ratio. Okay, let's see some problems.